Hi, I'm Ashikur Rahman from Accounting Celebrity. Welcome back to my channel where I upload couple of accounting tutorials weekly. So today our topic is trial balance. So many of you are confused when you prepare trial balance because sometime in the trial balance question you get two types of inventories. One is opening inventory, another one is closing inventory. So which one will be included here in this trial balance? I'll show you today. So no time to waste, let's get started. Okay, so here I already listed all the accounts, and this question I have taken from a Cambridge IGCSE accounting past paper. Okay, so number 17 here, inventory will be included, but which one I'll show you at the end of the video. Okay, so here we will prepare this trial balance. You already know that trial balance will be balanced while you write all the items correctly in the debit side and credit side. After adding, the totals will be equal. Okay, so it will be balanced. Okay, so let us write here trial balance, and we'll prepare this trial balance for the year ended 31st March 2019. Okay, very good. So this is the closing year. Okay, end of the year is 31st March 2019. So what is the start of the business? Means start of the accounting period. It will be 1st April. Yeah, 1st April 2018. Okay, so this time business started and this time it ended. Okay, very good. Now we'll record the value of these items here in the debit and credit column. Okay, so here look at the question on the screen. Kader provided the following information at the end of his financial year on 31st March 2019. Okay, so these are the information, and look at the end of the question. There are two inventories. Inventory 1st April 2018, which is $12,000. Inventory 31st March 2019, which is $10,950. Okay, so these two inventories, so one of them will be included here in number 17. Okay, so let us write this value here first of all. So what is revenue in the question? It is $146,000, but what is revenue? It is debited or credited? Yeah, you know, revenue, it's an income. Okay, it has credit balance, so it will be on the credit side. Okay, so let us write here on this column $146,000. Very good. Then we have here purchase. You know, purchase is an expense. All the expenses will be debited in that trial balance. Okay, so let us write the value here. Purchase, it is $137,000. Very good, we listed. Then we have here sales returns. Okay, when it is sales, we record it on the credit side. Okay, so when we get returned, means it is a sales return, so it is an expense. We have to pay money for this sales return. Yeah, so this expense will be debited on the trial balance. Okay, so let us write here the value is here $1,400. Okay, we recorded. Very good. Next one is here carriage outwards. Okay, so carriage inward, outwards, whatever it is, these are the expense for the business. Okay, and you know all expenses will be debited. Okay, so let us write here on the debit side is $2,970. Okay, very good, we listed. Then we have here fixtures and fittings. What is fixtures and fittings? It is a non-current asset. Okay, motor vehicle, fixture, fittings, equipment, machineries, land and building, premises, these all are non-current asset. Okay, so all the non-current asset will be debited. This have debit balance. Okay, so this will be recorded on the debit side of this trial balance. Okay, so let us write here on the debit side the value is here $45,000. Very good. Then we have here provision for depreciation. Okay, provision for depreciation. What is this? This will be subtracted from the non-current asset in the statement of financial position, means the balance sheet. So this has credit balance. We have to record on the credit side. So let us write here a value which is $18,000. Okay, very good, we recorded. Then we have here motor vehicle at cost. Already I told you this is a non-current asset. Yeah, all assets have debit balance. So this will be debited here on the trial balance. So it is $16,850. Very good, we record it. Then we have here discount allowed. What is this? This is a nominal account. Yeah, nominal account means either it is an expense or an income. This is an expense. This expense will be debited. Okay, so let us write here $190. Okay, very good. Then we have here discount receipt. So if discount allowed is expense, so discount receipt will be income. Very simple to understand. Okay, so income has credit balance. So let us go to the credit side and we record here $230. Okay, we record it. Then we have here trade payables. What is trade payable? It is a current liability. Yeah, current liability has credit balance. Okay, all liabilities will be credited on the trial balance. Okay, so let us write the value on the credit side. It is $14,600. Okay, very good, we record it. Then we have here trade receivables. What are trade receivables? It is a current asset. Okay, so current asset will be debited on the trial balance. Yeah, so let us write this value here on the debit side. What is this? It is $12,900. Very good, we entered this value here. Then we have here operating expenses. We already know that all expenses will be debited. All expenses have the debit balance, so this will be debited. So what is the value in the question? It is $17,190. Okay, so we wrote. Okay, then we have here rent payable. So rent payable, you have to pay this rent. This is an expense. Okay, so this will be debited. So let us write here on the debit side. It is $5,200. Okay, very good. Then you have here commission receivable. This will be income. Okay, future income. So incomes have credit balance. So let us write on the credit side. The amount is here $2,000. Okay, very good, we entered this amount. Next one is here bank overdraft. You all know bank overdraft is a liability. Yeah, it is a liability for the business and liability has credit balance. Yeah, so it will be recorded on the credit side. So let us write here $5,170. Okay, very good. Then the last one is capital. You know, capital is credit. Yeah, very simple. So capital is here how much? $65,000. So let us write here 65. So we recorded all the items given on the question. Okay, now the last two items. Inventory 1st April 2018, which is $12,000. And inventory at 31st March 2019 is $10,950. So which one will be included? Okay, so let us write here first of all inventory 17 inventory. Okay, which one will be included? So guys, don't forget opening inventory will be included on the trial balance. Okay, so closing inventory will never be included in the trial balance. Do not forget. But how to understand which one is opening inventory, which one is closing inventory? The older one, when you have two inventories given in the question, in this case, dates must be given with the inventories. Check which inventory is older. The older one is opening inventory, and opening inventory will be included in the trial balance, not closing inventory. Do not forget it. Okay, not closing inventory, only opening inventory will be included. Okay, so here we have two inventories. One is with the date of 31st March 2019 and another one is 1st April 2018. Yeah, okay, so which one is older, this or this? So this is the older one. Okay, 1st April 2018. So this one, this inventory will be included. Okay, so let us write here inventory at 1st April 2018. Okay, So what is this value here in the question? It is $12,000, yeah. But question is which side, which column this will be included, in this debit column or credit column? Yes, if you say it is debit column, you are correct. Why? Because inventory is an asset for the business. Okay, you know assets have debit balance, yeah. So let us write here on the debit side $12,000. Okay, so we recorded all the items, we wrote all the values here, even we included the inventories given in the question. Okay, now we have to total these two columns. Okay, because if we total, we'll get the same amount. These two columns will be matched. Okay, this means that this trial balance is correct. Okay, now let us calculate. If we add this column, the debit column, what we get? $251,000. Okay, same amount we get if we calculate the credit column. Okay, so here we'll write $251,000. so let us draw closing line here. The double lines means the closing line. Okay, so we completed this question. So this is how you have to prepare trial balance when you have two types of inventories on the question. Okay, so this is all about our today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed and you understood this lesson. If you think that this video is helpful for you, please share it with your friends. Comment below, let me know what you want to see in my next video. Okay, and please consider subscribing to my channel because there are other so many accounting tutorials which will help you to learn accounting, to understand accounting, to prepare yourself for your exam or test. So this is all. I'll see you soon with new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.